What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell by the title of this week's video and by the hair, I am going to be showing y'all my curly hair care routine. So, with that being said, let's get on into the video. Okay, so to start out, I just washed my hair and then I have let it sit in this towel for a few minutes just to like soak up the extra water. So now we're just gonna go ahead and take the towel out. And then we're just left with some real funky hair. So, what I like to do is I like to use a pick for when I do wear my hair curly. Work from the ends up, so that way you're not ripping your hair out of your head. So after we get done with that, I like to go in with some Moroccan oil, and you really only need like a little bitty bit. Just concentrate on your ends because that is the place where your hair gets the most dry. So now that I have the Moroccan oil in, the next product that I like to use is this Kenra leave-in conditioner. It's Daily Provision, but it's a leave-in conditioner. This one is my favorite besides the Cara color, but this one is my favorite for when I wear my hair curly. It's very lightweight, so it won't weigh down your curls, but it still gives your hair enough moisture to let the curls form properly. Let me show you my Ride or Die. This is my favorite curl cream, and it is by Diva Curl, and it is phenomenal. So whenever I use this, you really only need about one pump, and I like to drag it through and I like to scrunch it into my hair, and it smells so good. It smells like Fruit Loops, I swear. And it doesn't give your hair that, like, you know, those curls, like those weird, like crunchy, like just gross and disgusting curls. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to blow dry my hair. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And I like to put this on the low setting with either warm or cool heat. Okay, so after I dry my hair, which two things you probably noticed when I was drying my hair. One, I flip it over and I scrunch it in my hand. I don't like to use a diffuser just because I feel like I can get more controlled curls whenever I cup my hand. And another thing that I do is I always make sure not to touch my hair to these little metal pieces on the inside of the blow dryer because they get hot and they will burn your hair. Also, a disclaimer, what works for me might not work for you. You kind of just have to find your own styling products that work for your curly hair, but these are just my tips for what works for my curly hair. I do know that Diva Curl is a very reliable brand. Most people who use it say that they get phenomenal curls. So if you have curly hair, you might try it out, see if it works, and if it doesn't, I can give you some other recommendations about what might also work for your hair type. But yeah. Okay, so moving on. The next product that I like to use is this Big Sexy Hair powder play. I just like to use it in my root. Oops. I just like to pull my hair back. And then after that, I just like to squirt some in my ends sometimes just to like fluff up this bottom part, so you know we're all the same width over here. So yeah, after that I just like to finish off with some Joico Power Spray hairspray and just a fine mist over it. That is the end of that. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like if you have curly hair too, or if you would like to try out any of these products. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you're already subscribed, turn on that post notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. So with that being said, I will see y'all in next week's video. Bye!